The All Progressive Congress APC Edo State Chapter don't take back the party secretariat for number 59 Airport Road, Benin City, 4 years after the People's Democratic Party PDP forcefully taken from them. According to the APC State Chairman Emperor Tenebe, in talks say APC don't take over Edo State and say the property belonged to APC before PDP forcefully take them, and say them go also take back all the other offices across the state.
You capture an enemy, a country, you take their flags. So today, we have captured PDP in this state. And I also want to make people know that all the offices, all our offices in the local government, in all their local government, they are our offices. They took them from us. So we're also going to take over those offices. We're also going to take over those offices. Officially our offices. All the PDP offices across the state in all the local government belong to APC. And they were taken from us that period. So we're also going to take over all those offices.
Vehicles, buses.
So we are started from today. The buses, everything that they took from us, we are going to take them. So what you go to do? Thank you so much. So these are the flags.
Emperor Tenebe for in talk with Tori people contact say when he become the party chairman, he make two promises to the party faithfuls, say APC go take over the state and say all the properties where PDP take from APC go return back to them. As in they officially announced the takeover of the property, Emperor contact say them go resist any attempt by any group or persons where want push them out of the property or any of their other properties.
Today is the happiest moment in my life that I am fulfilling the second promise I made to my party, that all the properties that were taken from APC, I will make sure they are returned back to them. That's why we are here today, to take over the secretariat that was taken back from us. Today, we have taken over this secretariat. It belongs to us now. We are going to allocate offices today. We have also called the painters today to paint this place back to APC color today, because this place rightfully belongs to us. We are ready to resist anybody that will try to make any noise or try to do anything. We will resist it with everything that we have.
Or the money refunded after the...
Our money were not refunded because we paid from APC coffers. So our rent is still running.
The party chairman Costi talk say,
I am very, very happy. You see, the God that we serve will always protect his children. Because we are godly people and we also don't make trouble, God will always protect his own. Don't forget, I've always said from time that we don't want problems. But when you bring trouble, there's no trouble. I'm happy that I'm in my office today. We have taken over at Airport Road. You saw when they took the chairman of PDP out of this place. And you also hear when the police came here, and you also saw reasons why we have to be here. And they came here to pay, that's courtesy visit that they have just paid. And we are happy about it. God is happy. All the APC faithful are happy. You can see my youth leader is very happy. All members of State Working Committee and ESCO are happy. All the leaders of the party in Edo State are happy. In fact, Edo State as a whole is happy. And you know, when they took this office from us, they did not stop at that. They went to all the local government and collected our offices from us. And we are going to recover all the offices across the state from them, because those offices belong to us. Thank you, and God bless you.
The Deputy Commissioner for Police, wey dey in charge of operations, Ben Abang, along with other senior police officers, also turned up for the newly reclaimed APC secretariat to get first-hand information on how dem take reclaim the office, as him do one-on-one talk with APC Chemo and other top-party leaders.
If you Google APC office, it will show, it will lead you to this address.
Oh, APC office.
Yes, I don't take APC. Don't do it now. Don't Google. With your phone. It's
our
here that
we throw votes away with force. And back all our belongings.
There is nothing, officer. There is nothing that will make me leave here.
During the takeover, Unagosi said the state PDP chairman Dr. Tony Azigbeme dey for the premises when the building takeover happened, and come later they escorted out of the building by the Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we know the take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojuseli, TMC TV News.